This is absolutely one of my favorite times of the year. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite coffee creamers. It's Peppermint Mocha Creamer. As you can see, the ingredients: you would need full cream milk, Hershey's cocoa powder, peppermint extract or essence, and condensed milk. And you would need a container to put the creamer into it. So without further ado, join me in the kitchen as I show you how to make this copycat CoffeeMate Peppermint Mocha Creamer. Here is a fun fact. Peppermint Mocha Creamer was actually introduced by Starbucks Coffee in 2002 as a limited time holiday drink. Firstly, heat up about 500 moles, which is roughly about a little over 14 ounces of milk. If used in a microwave, heat the milk for about a minute. This will help the cocoa powder to mix in well. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and whisk it into the milk until there are no lumps. Now add one 14 ounce or 415 ml can of condensed milk and whisk it until it is thoroughly combined. Now we add the flavor that brings the holidays to your cup of coffee or iced latte. This is the peppermint extract or essence. 1 teaspoon to be exact. Give everything a good whisk. Now it's time to pour the creamer into a bottle or container and refrigerate until cool. Okay, now I need to give it a try. This is it. Let me try this new Peppermint Mocha Creamer. Yes, that is really good. You can taste the peppermint, the chocolate. It's really amazing. Folks, give this a try. All I can say is, now that's lekker. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and click that notification button. And may I wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas. Until next time.